Yeah, it's not my BO.
Oh, never mind.
Look at all the cats. And the dog. You're outnumbered by cats, Jess.
She's like, not for long, I shall have puppies. And then they shall have puppies.
She's not going to have any more puppies. Oh. Oh, there's the baby kitty. The little tiny babies. Ace! Hey, Ace. Come here. Oh no, your eye's all boogered. Come here. It's Bob and Lucy. We need to catch those little kittens again. Their eyes are gross. The ducks. I don't know why they don't go down to the ditch, but they don't. Maybe I'll catch some piglets. There they are. They like to play in the horse pen. Look at them. They're rutting around with their noses. One of them almost got kicked by the horse. Piggyback ride. The fence is in the way. Piggyback ride. That's what they're doing. They're not humping each other. Oh, I hear kittens now. Look at all the piglets. They're all playing in the horse pen.
What?
The piglets.
Oh, yeah.
I hear a cat. Shh. Meow.
Hi, Ace.
Shush.
Meow. She'll usually run to me.
There you are. Are your eyes all boogered up and you can't see?
Their Tiger keeps on, not Tiger, Ace keeps on running to me.
Hey, aww.
I've been playing with them every day, so they'll start running up to me.
Come here. What? Isn't this Rose?
Yeah.
She's all by herself. Come here, Rose.
I think the rest are under there. Hey, you Kiki! Okay, never mind.
No, that's why she was crying, because she was all by herself. Doesn't she go with Ace and,
Yeah.
What did you name the other one?
Ace and Rain.
Oh, Rain. And this one is Rose?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did
Okay.
those two, the two tabbies.
Let's go I'll take you to your brother and sister. Oh, wait,
They're all
sisters.
girls.
Because they're all girls, yeah. The ducks.
Want me to show you where Ava's kittens are?
Yeah, I'm going to take her to her sisters. Plush! She's like,
You should have saw her interact with Ace.
Lucy.
Like, since they're sisters, I was seeing what
Bob!
they do.
Bob! Stop
they-
running away.
They sniffed each other.
Hey, Ace.
Come here, Ace! Come here! Come here, Kiki.
Ew, there's a lot of poop over here.
Ace doesn't really like his siblings because all of them fight with her. Come here! Come here, Kiki! Come here, Kiki! He's like, no. But anyway,
No.
when
sick of you
Ace
guys.
and Plush interacted, like, Ace ran under Plush, and she started, like, jumping up. She's like, get out from under me! She kept on jumping up. It was weird.
She's like, oh. It's because she didn't want her mom to get mad at her if she hurt one of her sisters.
Yeah.
Here, you guys are playing in the mud. You got mud everywhere. Where did the piglets go? Did they all run that way?
No, they probably ran back.
Oh, did they go back to their mom?
Yeah, they only stayed there for a short time. They've all been trying to eat Misty's tail.
Yeah, I know. Mom said that she picked up her foot and was gonna
Yeah,
kick, and then she yelled at her and she put it down.
She's like, no!
Misty, are you getting too old for this crap?
Baby? Nah, baby.
Yeah.
Ooh, what is that? Oh, just sweat.
This is Misty. We've had her since she was a colt because we owned her mom, and then we bought her mom, who was a Mustang. She was a wild Mustang, and